अच्छा बेटा, क्या कहोगी यहाँ आके, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? इसमें आपको कोई इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें नजर आ रही हैं?
My name is Nawal Kiani and I'm really excited to be at Meena Bazaar, and I think it's the first time that it's happening in our society, and it's a really big opportunity for the women who are trying to make it big, and women who are housewives and working from home, and I think it's a really big opportunity for them that to be out here. Well, Rana Vets are providing free stalls, and I think that that's what I'm interested in. And I'm really happy to introduce our brand Glowish Glow. And also, I'm really happy to introduce Glowish Glow to everyone and to connect with our community in a positive way.
Now we are on the stall of Nawal. Nawal have a product like hair oil and lip oil. We try to get some point what she say about her products. Ma'am, what do you say about your product which you have in your stall?
Well, this is an alopecia hair fall treatment hair oil. It is basically for both men and women who are suffering from alopecia and hair fall, and that's why we created this. And this is our lip oil, which is used for the moisture, and it's also lip treatment to provide nourishment.
There is no price. What is the price of hair oil and what is the price of lip oil?
The price of lip oil is 400 rupees, and the price for the hair oil is 1750 rupees.
1700.
1750 rupees.
This one bottle is 70. मैम नवाल बता रही थी कि जो हेयर ऑयल की कीमत है वो 1700 रुपए है, और जो लिप ऑयल है वो वेरिएट करते हैं प्राइसेस में। यहाँ पे 400 फॉर ईच बॉटल है। ये इनके स्टॉल के हवाले से था, जो वुमेन के लिए खास पर मखसूस तौर पे ये प्रोडक्ट बनाई गई हैं।